Hi guys, so recently I just discovered this musical instruments detector. So I just recently installed this musical instruments detector. The title speaks for itself. Let's see. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to check what are the instruments available in this track over here. This is a track from Apple Loops from Logic Pro. So I'm gonna check this track by putting this in. Okay, it's not. So I'm gonna click this button here, click this track, analyze track. So now, as you guys can see here, musical instruments detector, this Tune Identify Pro, detects trumpet, electric guitar, piano, saxophone, violin, human singing voice, clarinet, cello, acoustic guitar. So over here we can see the reliability. So it says trumpet high. I guess it's guessing the chances of having a trumpet in the track is high. And the same thing goes to electric guitar according to the software, I'm saying. Then piano, saxophone, violin. But over here, human singing voice is low. Clarinet is average. Cello, low, same. Acoustic guitar is high. Alright, let's have a listen to the track. I think the drums is missing from this list, I guess. And human voice, I guess it's not really in the track. So, but it says the reliability rate is low, and cello is also low. So, I personally think this is a good software to identify the instruments. As we can see, like it mentioned like some instruments over here. You know, like maybe if someone is trying to create a karaoke for a track, identify the instruments available in the track to recreate them. Maybe you guys can try this software out. Musical instruments detector available in App Store. For me, I guess this works pretty well. I guess for me, your opinion might be different, so you guys can just put down in the comment what do you guys think of this software. So hope this video helps you to find out about this musical instrument detector software.